Today we'll talk about how can you add or change your photo profile on your WordPress app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down, you click here on your name down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You click above your photo here, then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on allow. So then here you just click on allow. Automatically it's going to take you to your photos, then you select photo you want to add on your photo profile. So that's all you have to do until can you take it from your camera. That's all. I wish now you are great. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.